Hey everyone, welcome to Follow My Lines. I'm Matt up on Emerald Mountain in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Checking out this 2018 Diamondback El Oso Tres. Picked it up for a really good price. It was hardly used. Still got the hair in the tires, so you can tell it definitely wasn't used very much. This thing is pretty much bone stock. Sans a little bag, triangle bag, and a cup holder that I put in. So we'll start with the grips. Grips, Diamondback branded, double lock on. Okay, they're not super comfortable, but I don't hate them. Stem's a little bit long. I'll probably put a shorter stem on it. Handlebars are only 760. I probably will go up to 800 just because I like that stability, especially in the wintertime. Shimano brakes. These are definitely a little cheaper Shimanos, but they seem to work just fine. Shimano SLX shifter and derailleur. I think it's 11 to 46, 11 speed in the rear, 32 chain ring in the front. Came with Kenda Juggernaut sport tires, 26 by 4.5. Also came with a KS Lev dropper seat post, and seems to do pretty well so far. WTB seat, and with Alex rims. And right now it's still running, still got tubes in it. I'll probably go tubeless when I switch over tires. Came with the RockShox Bluto fork as well. 180 millimeter rotor in the front, 160 in the rear. Actually, I'll take that back. Looks like 180 in the rear as well. Loving the purple color. So far, it rides really nice. And let's see what it does on the trail. Take this thing down a little Moab. Take it kind of easy on my first time on it. I will do some NPR, more flow. Molly's action.